Three.
Good morning friends, myself Manna. I read in ninth standard in Government High School, Kalyanpur. Today we are going to talk about noise pollution. Do you know what is noise pollution? If no, I'll tell. Noise pollution is a harmful and annoying level of noise that affect human and animal life. Noise pollution is also known as sound pollution and environmental pollution. The main reasons of noise pollution are transportation, loudspeakers, machines, etc. The poor urban areas give rise to the noise pollution. In industrial and residential area, there is very much loud noise pollution. In residential areas, the sources of noise pollution are machines, loudspeakers, transportations, etc.